Hello students, the question is plasmodesmata are A. Locomotory structures, B. Membranes connecting the nucleus with plasma lemma, C. Connection between adjacent cells, D. Lignified cementing layers between cells. So बच्चे प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा, सबसे पहले इसको समझना होगा कि प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा क्या है. तो प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा इज रेफर्ड एज सेल टू सेल साइटोप्लाज्मिक कनेक्शन. दो सेल के बीच में जो कनेक्शन हो रहा है प्लांट सेल में, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लाज्मोडेस्मेटा. Here the one cell connects with the another cell in a plant cell with a cytoplasmic connection that transmits the sugar carbohydrates to one cell to another cell via cell wall. Where the cell wall is not present, it shows strand like structure and form connection between the two cells. It is called plasmodesmata. और ऑप्शंस देखते हैं. locomotory structure, no, which they never show locomotion, they only helps in transport of various materials, for example sugars, carbohydrates, amino acid from one cell to the another, as it is a cell to cell connection. It never connects the nucleus membrane that connects the nucleus, no, it connects the cytoplasm of two cells. Connection between two adjacent cells, yes. Lignified cementing membrane, no, it is only a connection between cells, it not act as a lignified cementing membrane. The cementing membrane is basically the middle lamella, and that is made up of magnesium and calcium pactate. So the correct answer here is option C. Thank you.